Hi everyone, Miss Lisa here. I wanted to make a video for some of my friends who are learning to make new sounds at the beginning of their words. So I have some words that I'm gonna say for you, and I want you to be a detective and listen for the sounds that I'm making and watch what my mouth is doing to make those sounds at the beginning of my words. Let's try some. No. Can you hear my nose sound at the beginning of that word? No. My tongue is helping me make that sound. How about the word hi? Can you hear my puppy sound at the beginning of that word? Hi. Hi, friends. How about moo? Ooh, my lips are working to make that word my sound and my ooh sound. Moo. What animal says moo? How about this word? Two. Two starts with the t sound. My tongue helps me make that sound too. Two. Can you say this? Ow. Ooh, my mouth has to open wide. Ah, and then say ooh. Ow. What if I put my nose sound at the beginning of ow? I could say the word now. Look at my mouth when I make that word. Now. Can your mouth move like that too? How about the word toe? I hear my t sound again. T, toe. Ooh, my lips are working. Oh, toe. What about knee? Do you have a knee? Can you point to your knee? Try that word with me. Knee. Knee. Great job using sounds at the beginning of some words, everyone. See you later.